Laugh like a loon, understanding English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. We're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, laugh like a loon. This idiom is not only colorful but also a great example of how English can paint vivid pictures with words. Let's get started. The phrase, laugh like a loon, is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. To laugh like a loon means to laugh very loudly, uncontrollably, and often in a high-pitched way. The word loon here refers to a bird known for its loud, wild calls. So, when someone laughs like a loon, they're laughing in a way that's as loud and unrestrained as the calls of a loon. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember their meanings. The phrase, laugh like a loon, is thought to come from the characteristics of the loon, a bird found in North America and parts of Europe. Loons are known for their distinctive and sometimes eerie calls, which can sound like laughing. This comparison to the loon's call captures the idea of a loud, uninhibited laugh. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this idiom in context. 1. When I told Jake the joke, he started to laugh like a loon. 2. The movie was so funny that the whole audience was laughing like loons. 3. She always laughs like a loon at his jokes, even when they're not that funny. These examples show the phrase used in different situations, all highlighting a very loud and hearty laugh. It's important to know the right context for using idioms like, laugh like a loon. This particular idiom is informal and best used in casual conversations or in writing that has a light-hearted tone. It's great for describing situations where laughter is genuine and boisterous, but it might not be appropriate in very formal or serious contexts. And that's a wrap on Laugh Like a Loon. We hope you enjoyed exploring this colorful idiom with us. Remember, idioms like these add flavor to the English language and can make your conversations more vivid and expressive. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons on English. See you next time.